Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Aries. We'll be picking a few cards, guys, for your daily energy, for your career situation, and your love energy, Aries. So these are for your daily energy, Aries. This is for your career situation, and this is for your relationship, and one card from the oracle guidance. So this is the card. We will open these cards as we proceed into the reading, guys. So let's start with the daily reading, Aries. So judgment in reverse, it's two of pentacles in reverse, and the chariot. So with these cards, guys, I see that you are getting some important communication today, guys. Maybe from this person, or it may be work related communication, some written form of communication coming your way. For some of you it may be something good, but for some of you it may also be something negative, guys, something in your career or in your personal life. That is what I see. And maybe in your situation today, in your career situation or in your personal life, you may feel that you are feeling weak. Maybe some of you may be having some sickness, or that may be the reason for that weakness. Or maybe for some of you it may be some form of addictions that you're having, and you feel really weak today, guys. That is what I see, and you just want to rest, take rest, and take things slowly in your career or in your personal life. And also for some of you, you have come over lots of stressful situations in your life, lots of struggles you would have faced, and you would have felt successful because of that sense of accomplishment. But you are not forgetting that people who have caused that stress or some struggles in your life, and you want revenge, or you are thinking of them, you want to take revenge on them, or you are cursing them, scolding them, maybe for some of you, because of the way they would have made you feel, or because they were the reason for some stressful situations. So you are simply angry with them, guys. That is what I see. It may be your past person, your ex, or someone in your work situation who would have caused lots of troubles for you, guys. So let us see what is the card for your career. Four of Wands. So I see here you are celebrating some start of something successful, guys. Some lucrative project, or some new job, or it may be a new venture in your work. So some initial success, you are happy for it. That is what I see. Let us see what is the card for your relationship. It's the High Priestess in reverse. So with this card here, guys, in your situation today, you have that passion in your situation. So you have that extreme attraction and passion towards this person, and you may be sharing that great understanding with this person, that love for each other, physical attraction. It may be a physical relationship, guys, that you are sharing, or that you are starting with this person. That intimacy and bonding is there in this connection. So that is what I see with these cards, Aries. Let us see what is your oracle's guidance. These cards are supposed to be read straight, guys, so go with that distance. So with this card, the energy for your Aries in your situation today. So this card may answer some questions you have in your situation. It may be your career situation or your personal life. So some questions we have, this is a guidance for that, guys. So what we need to do to help us make this day a better one. So this card stands for that endurance. So whatever we need to do, that goals, we have to have that strength to carry us all the way till we see the end. So that is what this card is about, guys. So we need to stand that test of time, whatever ups and downs that we face in our life. We have to have that courage and endurance and dedication to go till the end, see that completion. So the same way in our relationship, though sometimes we may have some arguments or we may have some misunderstandings. So in this relationship, we have to work this relationship with that endurance and dedication to have that overall unity with that person. So when you listen to your heart, when you have that love for this other person in this connection, you will be able to have that strength and endurance to have this deep connection. So whatever ups and downs that you're facing in your situation today, you will have the energy to work it out. So that is what this card is about. The same way in our career situation, whatever is the most precious to us, the dreams and the goals, whatever we need to achieve for ourselves, whatever obstacles that may come in our way in realizing those goals, we need to overcome all that with that courage, confidence, that determination and endurance, guys. So that is what this oracle's guidance is about, Aries, and that is the reading for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, Aries. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.